Welcome back to my channel. I am sorry this is not a stimulus check or a stimulus package update. What it is an open letter to President Donald J. Trump. Please subscribe, give me your comments, thumbs up, thumbs down. Let me know what you think about this. I hope and pray President Trump sees this. An open letter to Donald Trump. Dear Mr. President, I may not have the bankroll that you have, but I am doing okay. I don't need stimulus. But there's a lot of people that can't say that. A lot of people are hurting. They need help. We the people are fed up with the way the Republican Party is acting. Mitch McConnell has said he's in no hurry to get to work on a stimulus package. He has said it will even be a month away before he picks it up and works on it. Meanwhile, American people are losing their homes, they're losing their jobs, they're losing their life savings, and yes, they're even losing their lives. Mitch McConnell has sealed his fate. This will be his last term in office, guaranteed. Now, Mr. President, the way you handle this stimulus package will determine your fate. Mr. President, I have said before, and I'll say it again, that my vote is for sale to the highest bidder. The side that helps us the most and the side that helps us the fastest will get my vote. I have always been Republican. I've always backed you on everything. But right now it's not looking good for our party. I know I am just one vote, but every vote adds up. Mr. President, your fate as our president is in your own hands. It's up to you what you do. Please do the right thing and make them come together with a package that can be passed to help the people with a stimulus check in it. The next move is up to you, Mr. President. I hope you do the right thing. I am one pissed off American.